Most traders pay for indicators on TradingView, but you don't actually need to. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use paid indicator for free. In this example, let's consider double bottom chart pattern, which is a paid indicator, and we gonna use it for free using ChatGPT. So before starting that, let's understand what are the different types of double bottom that exist. There are three types of double bottom. The first one is as per the theoretical example, that is of equal lows at the bottom. And the second one is where the first low is at here and the second low is much lower than the first low. There's the second one. And let's see the third type. The third one is basically the first low and the second low is much a little bit above the first low. So these are the three types of double bottom. So in the charts, we basically not see a perfect theoretical W's. So that's why we have these three variations that we will consider now. And also, if you want, you can add a filter like bullish RSI divergence as well. So that itself is a different topic. But for now, let's take this three as an example to create our own indicator. In ChatGPT, we are going to give a prompt like this one. We are saying ChatGPT to act like an expert PineScript coder and create an automatic double bottom detector code which can be easily added to TradingView chart. Note, do provide error-free code. So this itself makes sure that the PineScript will be an error-free one, and it has given us the PineScript code here. So this we have to copy the entire code and we have to paste it in Pine editor in the trading view, and then we have to add it to the chart. And all these steps I have already covered in my previous video. Anyways, I will provide link to my previous video in the description below. Anyways, in this prompt I have given it to not consider RSI divergence and just to learn from this link, which I have provided the link where it contains all the details about double bottom pattern, and create a script. So even if the two lows are far away in terms of timeline, no issues. If it is satisfying the rules, I'm just asking it to plot it. It has given the code, and then it also given a lot of description about it, but I faced errors like syntax error. It tried to fix it, uh, and then I faced another set of errors like value with any type, and again it gave me a fresh set of code. Then it's like it was not plotting it at all. So I just all these things I just copy pasted from Pine Editor directly to here. So I'm just going through the error code. So if you also face it will be helpful. So there was another mismatched input error. So that was also being fixed by ChatGPT and gave a fresh set of code for me. After fixing all these errors, I asked it to code it for me, even if it is not having a perfect lower bottom. It did that, and then I asked it not to plot a neckline, and that is how we got the final set of the code. And now this is important. I have pasted the code which ChatGPT gave, and I have asked it to modify a little bit. So basically, in this code, I have asked it to make sure the first low and the second low should not have more than 0.5% difference. So that is important to make sure the lows are not much far away. So and then I checked that, but it was not so satisfactory result. Then asked it to make it to 0.25% and then to 0.10%. So 0.10% was working much in a better way. So this I have got it as a final set of the code, and then I have copy pasted this in the trading view editor. Let's check it out there. So I have copy pasted here, as you can see, And now we can check in the chart. So here you can see, uh, yeah, yeah. Basically, here double bottom is plotted. So here also, and then here one as well. Sometimes it doesn't give a proper one, so we have to be careful there. Um, yeah, this is one of that example, and then mm, let's check it out. Here, yeah. So yeah, here also we can see this is a perfect double bottom example out of the three variations which we have seen, and yeah, see, you can see the result and the one at the top as well. So coming back, let's see if we have any over here. Okay, this was one, and this was not a perfect one. Okay, we may okay, this is bottom one, bottom two. Yeah, seems like okayish one. Yeah. So again, one more at the top, and then here the another one. I'm just waiting for one good example. Okay, here also I plotted. Uh, Yeah. Okay, this is also one. Mm, let's check it out furthermore. Okay, here also we have a few of them. Okay, that's a good one actually. Then coming back a little more. Whoa, what a big gap up. Okay, here also we have one. And yeah, here also one. Okay. Yeah, basically Wix we need to be a little careful because that also it will be considered sometimes as a bottom. Even though it has a lot of fluctuations for that day. Okay, this is a very good example. Okay. The one. Okay, here also one. See, this is what I said. A lot of fluctuation in that one candle. Okay, here also one. And okay, here also we see one. Maybe not so perfect. Yeah, yeah, here also one. Okay. It's in one more example. Okay, that's a good one. Here also one. And also if you want it to be more precise according to your rules, you can tweak it a bit as I have shown it earlier. So you can actually add RSI divergence, bullish divergence, if you know how you can use it. So that will give more appropriate plotting. Yeah, here also one. Okay, this is also one. Okay, this looks a classic example. Okay, yeah, this is also one. Okay, seems like Apple stock has lot of W's. Uh, okay, so that's pretty much it. We have backtested almost till April, and this seems to be fine. So if you want, you can make a little more tweaking as well, and you know just try it with ChatGPT to give more appropriate results so that you will have your own free indicator which you can use. This script I have checked it for 15 minutes time frame. If you want, you can also check it for other time frames as well. You can also prompt ChatGPT to generate accurately for all the time frames as well. Let me know in comments if you have any doubt, and do subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be posting more such videos in the future.